with him used to say that the Prophet ﷺ used to say these words when he is distressed.
لا إله إلا الله العظيم الحليم لا إله إلا الله رب العرش العظيم لا إله إلا الله رب السماوات ورب الأرض ورب العرش الكريم.
None has the right to be worshipped except you. Now imagine a person under great amount of distress, being oppressed, being wronged, being falsely accused, and feeling helpless. What to do? You have no other choice but to turn to Allah. Listen to these beautiful words. The Prophet used to say, alayhi salatu wasalam, La ilaha illallah al-azim al-halim. None has the right to be worshipped except Allah, the Supreme, the most forbearing. None